and welcome back to another episode of Hotel Fever. Talofa love everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are getting ready to go to work, so come along and spend the day with us. Mahuta.
When the morning lights your face, yeah. Makes every moment so satisfying. Oh baby, oh you look so beautiful.
How cute is Poppy coming out to wave goodbye before I leave for work. Have a great day, everyone.
My day, my day. Every moment you light up my day. Should it make me a tickle? Dagly, 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 na na na. Should it make me a tickle? Dagly, 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 na na. Should it make me a tickle? Dagly, 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 na na na. Should it make me a tickle? Dagly, 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 na na. Yeah, me love you. When I see my body at the bum, I go feel your body. What I got after when she come around, making my round, making my body no stay. Baby, can wine for me now. Wine, wine it now, wine you. Say you know, run come, you must come rubber da ba da da. Oh, you look so beautiful in every moment, every hour. You light up my day, my day.
So we are now making our way to church, just to see Night off before he goes off to his ball. Then we will get ready for Peses. I hope you have been enjoying spending the day or the Saturday with me. So this is what I normally get up to on a Saturday. Nothing exciting, just work, Peses and home. It's a little bit different today. Have a great day, everyone.
Every moment you light up my day. Should it make me a tickle? 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 Yeah, me love you.
Last photo with the boys before we head out to say goodbye tonight. Everyone meet Gray. So beautiful. Thank you to the Bromose and the fams for hosting and just for letting us be a part of Nye's pre-ball today. It was definitely nice just to see him looking so handsome in his suit. And there he is. Off he goes. Everyone just waving goodbye before we all head inside for Peses. So stay tuned for the rest of the day. What's the second one?
How did that happen?
What you did today? That's us for today, fam. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye, mahuta.